Central tendency. Today's topic is geometric mean. Geometric mean is relatively different from the arithmetic mean. In arithmetic mean, we just added the values and divided, and here it is different. Here we are not going to add the values, we are going to multiply the values. Okay. So the basic formula of geometric mean is this: x1, x2, dot 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 xn. You multiply whole to the power 1 by n. Whole to the power 1 by n. N equal to number of terms. If there are 3 terms, you put it as x1, x2, x3 whole to the power 1 by 3. So what happens if there is without frequency? This is without frequency. With frequency means Gm is x1, x2, x1 to the power f1 is x1 to the power f1, x2 to the power f2, dot 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 xn to the power fn, whole to the power 1 by f1 plus f2 dot 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 f. These are the two basic formulas of geometric mean. Now, this our formula is very much derivable by using a log formation. In some of the examination, they actually ask you that directly. So you can say it like this: another formula of this is log g. If I don't write the base over here, then you assume it to be e. Okay, so log g equal to anti-log summation of fi log xi by n. The whole summation. Anti-log function is nothing but e to the power you need to take. Okay, this will be, they can directly give you a formula. Okay, which one is the formula? This is the type of question which you can depend upon. Next is harmonic mean, another important structure. Without frequency formula is n by 1 by x1, 1 by x2, dot 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 1 by xn. This is the basic formula, but with frequency the formula will change to in a different way. I am coming to this part later, but in harmonic mean, so without these kind of cases, the formula is actually capital N by summation of 1 by xi. Capital N by summation of 1 by xi. This is the formula of harmonic mean using this kind of structure. Remember, capital N, what is capital N? Capital N is summation of, capital N is f1, f2, f3 dot 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 fn. So this is harmonic mean, but these are the formula only. What are the uses of formula? Let me start with a question. Based on the concept of harmonic mean, for example, 3 persons are working. The speeds are 5 average speed. So what will be the value of average speed here? You can't just add the 3 values and divide it by 3. Here the average speed will use the formula of central tendencies harmonic mean. According to harmonic mean, it is 3 by 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 and plus 1 by 30. This is 60. Simply 180 by 11, which is 16.3 km per hour. So, in case of average speed, harmonic mean is one of the most useful formula you can apply. But the main problem of harmonic mean and geometric mean is issues or problems. For Hn, no value and 0. For Gm, if any one value equal to 0, then Gm will always be equal to 0. So these are the two problems which will occur in case of geometric means. As I have already explained quartiles and deciles and percentiles in the previous lecture, so now I am proceeding to the next topic today. Of interrelationship between AM, GM and HM. Interrelationship between AM, GM and HM. The basic relationship is AM by GM equal to GM by HM, and also it maintains the inequality of this. So you can write it x1 plus x2 dot 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 xn by n greater than equal to x1 x2 multiplied by xn whole to the power 1 by n greater than equal to n by this thing. This is a very crucial inequality which needs to be maintained. Now, this is all the topics about the center tendency structure.